Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakanibudewi. I'm gonna cook something easy and delicious for today's recipe, so let's go and check out the ingredients. 10 chicken drumstick, 10 pieces potato cut into 4 pieces, 1 packet of mozzarella cheese, small onion and spring onion. Firstly, we have to boil the potato. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the potato is soft, we take it out and smash the potato and keep aside. Secondly, we boil the chicken drumstick. Add in 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 2 bay leaf. We boil the chicken until it's soft and cooked. Once the chicken is soft, we let it cool down a bit and take out the meat and chop it into small pieces. Now we mix the mashed potato and the chopped chicken together and we mix it. Then we add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, small chopped onion and spring onion. We mix it again. Lastly, we add in mozzarella cheese and we mix it well. And now we take mixed potato, flatten it in your palm and place the drumstick bone in the middle and close it. We make a shape like a chicken drumstick. Once it's done, we roll it in the eggs and in the corn flour. We roll it again in the eggs. Lastly, we roll it into a breadcrumbs. And we fry it in hot oil. We cook in medium flame until it turns golden brown. Okay, all my viewers, recipe cheesy chicken lollipop are ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you will like my recipe for today. For all my viewers, don't forget to click like, subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share to all your friends in social media and your family members. See you next time and bye-bye.